Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Lemonade Maker is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own, allowing you to whip up refreshing lemonade in seconds without the hassle of manual squeezing or messy cleanup, making it an indispensable tool for any home entertainer or health-conscious individual looking to enjoy fresh, homemade beverages with ease and convenience. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the power of an 1100-watt motor that crushes ice in seconds and blends tough ingredients with ease. It's perfect for all your favorite smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. Enjoy versatile blending with 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function. Achieve personalized blends and professional performance every time. Blend large batches effortlessly in the 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for parties, meal prep, or serving the whole family. It has a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. This appliance also functions as a food processor, allowing you to easily mince, chop, grind, and blend ingredients for salsas, dressings, and more. Blend directly in the 16-ounce to-go cups, add the spout lids, and take your creations with you anywhere. Enjoy your smoothies or shakes on the move. Cleanup is a breeze as all removable parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your blends. This comprehensive set includes the motor base, pitcher, blade assemblies, to-go cups with lids, and a 28-recipe guide to inspire your culinary creations. What we like? This blender boasts a powerful 1100-watt motor, perfect for crushing ice and tough ingredients. It also offers versatile functions and convenient single-serve cups for on-the-go blending. If you're looking for a robust blender that can handle everything from frozen drinks to meal prep and also offers the convenience of individual servings, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very easy to use and clean. This lemonade maker is a great addition to my kitchen. It makes perfect lemonade every time. I love how quickly and easily it makes lemonade. It's a game changer for summer drinks. Number 4. NUTRIBULLET Pro Plus 1200-watt Personal Blender. Experience the incredible power of this blender, driven by a robust 1200-watt motor. It's designed to handle all your blending needs with ease. Enjoy effortless blending with its pre-programmed pulse cycle and automatic shut-off. This feature ensures perfect results every time, without you needing to supervise. Watch as it pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and ice into smooth, delicious concoctions. The high-torque power base makes light work of even the toughest ingredients. Achieve optimal extraction for your smoothies and shakes thanks to its hands-free auto-off function. It takes guesswork out of blending. This package includes the powerful motor base, extractor blade, multiple cups, to-go lids, and a helpful recipe book. Get started on creating your favorite blends right away. What we like? With a 1200-watt motor and a pre-programmed pulse cycle with automatic shut-off, this blender ensures optimal extraction every time. If you prioritize power and a hands-free, foolproof blending experience for perfect smoothies and nutrient extraction, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's 1200 watts and literally takes less than 10 seconds to blend a frappuccino. It handles chunks, not little pieces, of ice like a boss. It only takes about 15 to 20 seconds to fully blend a smoothie with 0 chunks. Smooth as silk. This new NUTRIBULLET has many improvements that are terrific. Firstly, I ordered the 1200-watt version and the difference in power is very clear. Secondly, this newer version has a pulse feature that also results in a delay at the start when the cup is locked down, a seemingly unnecessary factor, except that is great too. Additionally, the blades are now turned up at a steeper angle which delivers a much faster chopping and grinding action as far as I can tell. Lastly, the addition of suction cups on the base greatly stabilized the NUTRIBULLET on a smooth surface, such as a countertop, assuring no spillage during the operation. The 1200-watt motor on this one is really powerful. And it seems sturdier, too. If you at least rinse off the blades immediately after use, it's easy to clean, too. I use it every day for morning smoothies, and it's great for making soups and marinades, too. Number 3. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Introducing the Vitamix 5200, a professional-grade blender designed for all your blending needs. From smoothies to soups, it handles it all with ease. Experience effortless blending with its powerful 2 HP motor. Say goodbye to chunky textures and hello to perfectly smooth results every time. Equipped with laser-cut, stainless steel blades, it can crush ice, nuts, and fibrous produce with ease. Enjoy consistent blends for years to come. The large 64-ounce container creates the iconic Vitamix vortex, perfect for making everything from hot soups to cold juices. It's ideal for small or large batches. Achieve your desired textures with 10 variable speed settings and a high-speed option. This gives you complete control over your creations. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just add water and soap, and it's clean in under a minute, saving you time and effort. Enjoy peace of mind with its 7-year limited warranty. This blender is built for reliable performance and durability. What we like. This professional-grade blender features a 2 HP motor, 10 variable speed settings, and a remarkable self-cleaning function. If you desire ultimate control over your blends, from silky smooth soups to chunky salsas, and value effortless cleanup, this is the ultimate kitchen companion. What people say. The power, consistency, and durability are unmatched. It blends everything into an ultra-smooth texture with ease, whether I'm making smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, or frozen drinks. The variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune texture exactly how you want it, and the motor is strong enough to handle tough ingredients without overheating or stalling. Everything comes out incredibly smooth, no grit, no chunks. This awesome blender still works like it did when it was new. This blender is so fast and powerful that it has no trouble making things like silky hummus and cashew cream. Smoothies blend thoroughly in just a few seconds. Number 2. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This tool instantly mattifies your complexion, leaving you with a shine-free look. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Refresh your look anytime, anywhere. Use it on clean skin at home or touch up your matte finish while you're out and about. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a reusable and washable solution for shine control. Its compact design makes it easy to carry. Banish shine quickly and conveniently wherever you go. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our refill packs. No need to buy a whole new device. What we like. This unique tool instantly mattifies and absorbs excess oil without disturbing your makeup. Made from real volcanic stone, it's reusable and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you struggle with midday shine and want a sustainable, portable solution to keep your face looking fresh without blotting papers, this is a must-have. What people say. This lemonade maker is a game-changer for my blender. It attaches easily and makes perfect lemonade every time. I love how simple this attachment is to use. Just add lemons, water, and sugar, and blend. It saves so much time and effort. The design is clever and efficient. It extracts the juice without any pulp, resulting in smooth and delicious lemonade. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51131G. Blend your favorite shakes and smoothies right in the travel jar. It comes with a lid and fits most car cup holders, making it perfect for life on the go. Its durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens. Get smooth results every time, perfect for adding vitamins to your drinks. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe. With its compact design and cord wrap, it stores neatly almost anywhere. The cord stays out the way, keeping your space tidy. Prepare a variety of icy drinks with just the press of a button. It's so easy to use, it will become your go-to for quick smoothies. What we like. This personal blender lets you blend directly in a 14-ounce travel cup that doubles as a to-go container. Its durable stainless steel blades ensure smooth results, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. If you need a simple, compact, and easy-to-clean blender for quick shakes and smoothies on the move, this is your ideal solution. What people say. This lemonade maker is a fantastic addition to my blender, making fresh lemonade in seconds. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly onto my blender base, easy to assemble and use. It's surprisingly efficient, producing a good amount of lemonade with minimal effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.